Poor squirrels. What you is in for? This is going to come with a warning on the title, which you would have already seen. Here, GrannyDee's got to sing. Vicky G, a.k.a. Night Owl. Look at this cute card, y'all. And I love you too, Vicky. And on the inside it says, even though you drive me nuts. And then she's got not really in parentheses. But I'm sure I do. And not only you, all the squirrel squad. Because of my squirrels. I am going to the doctor. I've got to get some medicine before I drive me and all y'all crazy. But she says, you are the sweetest thing. I know how much you like the song Dooley. You know, every time I see Wanderlust, Dana, and her co-pilot Dooley, I start to sing the song, but I can't. I just Dooley, 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 dooley. I still don't know the words, but I'm gonna learn them. And yes, I could have looked it up and done the same thing, but I didn't, and she did. So thank you, Vicky. You're so sweet. So thank you to Vicky. She did it. She wrote it down. It's her fault. But this is dedicated to Dooley, Dana of Wanderlust Crochet, her co-pilot. And I'm sorry. I got a little bit of a cough going on. And it says we're going to give credit. Well, I mean, it's from the Dillards. I reckon she's got that on here. But as far as copyright stuff, no, not but it's bound to be in public domain, right? It's got to be old. It was on Andy Griffith 100 years ago. And so the Dillards, I guess it's the same ones, were known as the Darlings. They may have had, you know, a few of them not the same or something. I don't know. I'll have to look that up. I'm sure I'll squirrel and not, but on the Andy Griffith show, they were the Darlings. Y'all remember the hill folk. Okay, so this is Dooley. Dooley was a good old man. He lived below the mill. And y'all just jump in here whenever you get ready. Dooley had 2 daughters and a 40-gallon still. One gal watched the boiler, the other watched the spout. Mama corked the bottles when old Dooley fetched them out. Everybody Dooley slipping up the holler. Dooley trying to make $1. Dooley, give me a swaller, pay you back someday. The revenuers came for him, a-slipping through the woods. Dooley kept behind them all the things. Oh, crap. Dooley kept behind them all and never lost his goods. Now Dooley was a trader. When into town he'd come. Sugar by the bushel and molasses by the ton. Everybody Dooley slipping up the holler. Dooley trying to make $1. Dooley, give me a swaller, pay you back someday. Just one more. Well, I remember very well the day old Dooley died. The women folk felt sorry and the men stood round and cried. Now Dooley's on the mountain, he lies there all alone. They put a jug beside him and a barrel for a stone. Oh, Dooley slipping up the holler. Dooley trying to make $1. Dooley, give me a swaller, pay you back someday. Pay you back someday. Oh, you can't undo it. I done messed up your ears and your mind. I used to want to play the fiddle, y'all. I used to want to be in a bluegrass band. Hell, I still want to. I think I got the vocals for it. I don't have the breath for it. I'm sorry, y'all. In my AD-ness, Dana, I did ask you about whether you were still going to be driving. And then I was told in a good way about my ADD is really, they can tell it's gotten worse, and whether it's because I'm tired and one thing and another, trying to do too much, whatever. But I am going to check with the doctor on it. But I asked Dana about, like I said, since you moved in with your mom, what if you're still whatever. Going to be driving the big truck, the big rig, and you probably put the answer in there, and I reckon I could have gone back and looked, but I didn't. And all it takes too much of my So, Dana, if you don't mind, put down in the comments. Inquiring minds want to know. Yes, I've started another project, another ADD. Because I got this from my winnings from Donna the other day from Sunshine LeClaire. My daughter says, Mama, Lindsay, her older sister that's in Florida, the one that did the part 1 of the bulldozing through this mess, trying to organize it somewhat, and then Hannah did part 2, and she told me tonight, she said, you know, Lindsay told me if it started getting bad again, I was throw this stuff out. I said, oh, no, you can't do that. And I said, I'm going to get, you know, I am going to take Teresa. I got to get up with Teresa. I keep saying that. I've saved her 2 times, Teresa. Still got 2. I taped the thing shut. Not that I can't untape it, but I'm sorry. I'm going on and on. This is supposed to just be about this. But where was I going? One last thing. Oh, I said I need to have a D stash and get it. D, GrannyDee stash. And I do. Maybe I will one day. We'll see. Love you, Vicky, Dana, Dooley, all the Squirrel Squad. Tomorrow I'll be live at 5. Be there or be square. We'll have another subathon. Love you. Be sweet. Don't be ugly.